From kita baru sekali bikin ni yang nonton Ouch Palangi Show.
Doon naman
Ano
naka.
bakat ng bising ni kuha?
Well, ito ko ni Binakan ay Punjes celebrating 90 years. Thank you so much, Punjes, for staying with us.
Yes.
From last year until this year, and it's half a year again. And Punjes still with us from then till now.
I would like to say good morning to all the Punjes celebrities, to all the workers. Buat maling ni Karabi and Punjes they joining this morning.
All right.
Thank you very much for your love. Thank you very much for supporting the Ouch Palangi this morning. And not forgetting to
All right.
To all the people around
Iyo,
us.
haule, andra namay.
Yeah. To all are joining from the driver's seat.
Right.
To all from the driver's passengers.
Yeah.
To everyone who joining in every occasion.
Right.
Community as a whole this morning.
Doon mo binak.
All those tuning in from the village, people in the village say, oh, today they are like very, with internet, eh?
Yeah.
Because internet is everywhere.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sometimes as gang in the
Village.
No, in the city, in the town,
Yeah.
we are very behind with the news.
Iya.
They are very, very fast.
Yes.
Di dasar.
You know why?
Di dasar.
Because the internet everywhere.
Doon mo binak.
Right.
Doon mo binak. Nero binak di mata binak. Maru tayo subeka enjoying your breakfast this morning. We say good morning to all the friends from overseas tuning in this morning.
Yeah.
Watching us. We came to the barong sa may ano tok lalo maki bura-bura.
Right.
Ni di mata binak to all the rugby players tuning from
France.
France.
Right.
Italy.
Ni di mata binaka.
Iya.
Lubebiti and mati balu limbola tangan ini pokoknya di binaka di bikin ni.
Limbola di bola.
Lubebiti ada bi waso na bi bara bi nonto benua.
Right.
Sen
Wasa-wasa.
Ni
Iya.
soko bolikina na wanga ningoli.
Di Sara.
Ni sama cuma ini yang di mata binaka.
Right.
Bikin ni lubebiti di tengah-tengah tu en wanga ni bulangi sarbanua.
Iya.
Oh.
Na manual lebu na biasa buru-buru. Di sama cuma dia cuma di sini kuah. Ni andra di mata binaka. Nabi paling bola.
Doon
Ada
binaka.
bi hotel lah bulangi sarbanua mana asa sebagara ni roro ni wanga buka. Kita sapa di binaka sudah bi kani ngoni na wana no tur bi tokani. En singa binani ko. Tamay sita lawa kere ke na mata bi kani.
Bola tambah
Ito
sita.
siya masarap may Queensland, may Australia. And mataka binaka day-day.
Right.
Baka kini may sakyo sa kautoka di na may langi.
Iya.
Josh Loa, AS Rock, Resort Northern Territory, may Australia.
Dumbula.
Na kele to Rocco, yandere.
Right.
And baka tambisinga day-day.
Iya. Bola na talaga ba Tierra.
Iya.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Rachel MV Cow.
Iya.
Joining in on the TikTok account when I'm Sara. Nandingin ta katong BTFM and I was on the Ouch Palangi Show.
Father Kamineli ni boy may nanda keke state may nabunole bo onreketi.
Right.
Binaka.
May maduata.
Wana na bo.
And also Waga.
Right.
Iya.
New South Wales to Isma.
Iya.
Isma. Winabole bo thank you for joining this morning.
Toka sa rador mo rin nakaile.
Ha.
Coming all the way from Nelson in New Zealand.
Iske.
Iya, nabi na nimi yang ngolit sika may ba boso taboy.
Iya.
Na balim sara andra siya talaga ba lewa siya
Iya.
o Drisco Dolovina
Alright.
bata kay Black Hawk. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.
Nasibi bot ko la tamay don.
Yeah.
And rabina mambul tal tunga bitura nga tau ke jet fadri mbasi na sesengo.
Right.
Be bentari batalinga kina be mbasi may nonda.
Yeah.
And also to the batch of Boston.
Wow.
O Father Sunny Boy.
Sunny Boy.
Father Sunny Boy.
Thank you very much for joining this morning. Turang tau Marika.
Right.
And also to Hidden Angel.
Willy.
Maramatay.
Right.
Susana wati marabu and boli kada libo na makete libo suba.
Right.
Kita sabi kita bagi chicken big community. Sate de wara chura sa tantana si kita nang ande so bichigan.
Di na, sir.
Er buri bito kan dia bakata bisinga. De mesi.
Ha.
While you were small back in the village.
Ha.
Nata ba no coach stalitaki.
Kep.
Uy.
Kepkat.
Kep kan ko rin na edit.
Iya, na cap cut mo na.
Iya.
It's a cap cut.
You know the time when I was in Kindi,
Yeah.
like that.
Piala.
The Serebi was on top that time.
Oh.
Oi.
Yeah. We follow Serebi's cut cap.
Iya.
So cap, then cut.
Uy.
Okay, but
Yeah.
have you come across that piala cut?
Piala cut is our favorite.
Right.
We follow now the mushroom.
Yeah.
Mushroom
Okay,
cut.
tell us about the different hairstyle
Alright.
or haircut.
Right.
That.
There's no hairstyle
Iya.
nowadays.
Iya.
It's a new style. It's
Oi.
all the old style.
Saleta
But
baswa.
with a different machinist, we use
Yeah.
that change the looking.
Symbolize.
Ito tawa tangan ikot-ikot, may liw.
Iya.
And the one we're doing now, nobody bring the new style of haircut. We follow the cut from before, but the thing is the machinist.
Iya.
Na yan, ni Bingara, ni Bikot, yung tapangatakan ng una ya.
Yeah.
And nowadays.
One time, I saw your haircut was different. Was like the pineapple.
Yeah, that one day.
What's the name
like,
of that cut?
that's a lucky to be Bob Marley, the deadlock.
Iya.
Really?
Yeah, deadlock haircut.
Right.
And
That's
why you
different
never
over-
keep the thing to grow?
Huh?
Why you never keep the thing to grow?
Because I saw your hair too was like that.
Yeah.
I don't want to make it because of the small organism.
But I have never seen any Dorbo in Fiji
Yeah.
me murmuria na monk cut.
Yeah. Matagal ba?
What kind of
Na
monk?
monk, ira monk.
Yeah.
May what ba?
Me taisar tu ngamay.
Iya.
Gamay doon na kicking tito kay lungo.
Iya.
Try them see.
Try me na club
Nata ko
game.
na muna, pati ko siguro, okay. E baka kenta lesunga, baka sakal sunga na ikuchi-kuchi.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Na bir na Dorbo na ngono
Yeah.
nata ko na favorite style.
You know,
Iyo.
because of the monk cut.
Yeah.
Nowadays, before, there is no form of media.
Oh, okay.
There is no form of phone.
Oh.
Nowadays,
Iyo.
if you
Only
cut
the
this,
form of media before is the Meke.
Yeah.
They tell the story
They
through
tell
the
the story.
Meke.
Right, right.
Iyo.
this one, if you take that kind of haircut,
Yeah.
people are here. Nearly 90% of the people
Yeah.
in the world
Iyo.
got phone.
Right.
So if you take that kind of haircut,
Iya.
you'll see your picture in that's at Fiji.
Right, right, right.
They will play you around. Erana biwasi takiko.
But that is a monk cut.
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
nice.
it's a monk cut.
nice.
It's nice.
Iyo, iyo.
If
But
maybe we say
It's nice with a pom pom. Every nice nga ka pom pom. But it's good.
Yeah.
Some of them, you know, we put the top here because it helps us to carry things.
Right.
Mendo baba ko tunan dala ko bandala bubu.
Yeah.
Because some of us,
Right.
we can hold properties on our right shoulders.
Okay,
On
okay,
our
okay.
left shoulders.
Right.
We put on our head.
Okay,
Right.
okay.
That's why some people they left the hair up here.
Iya.
Because of that. To carry heavy things.
Herbe nak main the cake. Herbe mika.
Oh man, sending the records to them is.
Iya.
Ha.
This the man downstairs, the Kadila.
Oh!
Iyo. He
Wala.
said, he asked them, si makamay.
Hey, kay Koso.
Uy, bakit sila na
Yeah, some of the, that's why you
Iya.
see women from South Africa.
Right.
They put things here because at the head,
Iya.
this is a very strong.
Right.
Yeah.
But it's very respectful for us here.
Okay, okay.
With
Right.
our traditional.
Iya.
Yeah.
Okay, doon na tarong ko. Natapa and the second in daw sila kinabir nangon
Yeah.
Men dapat kan doon yun ay koti-koti. Erbe na kata mera kotski. Wami mira kalasin dua kalasin ro kalasin tuh.
Because we
Yeah.
classified
Iya.
on our hairstyle too.
Right.
Eh?
Iya.
We classified on our hairstyle too.
Right, right.
You can take one children,
Iya.
you children.
But it's a haircut.
It's a haircut.
Yeah.
But discipline, we want to install discipline within them.
Okay.
If you follow the adult's haircut,
Yeah.
that means you are counting yourself
Yeah.
to be part of the adult.
So, no discipline.
Iya.
Niko pori,
Iya.
iko mo kilatungan niko ngoni. Niko
Okay.
koti fresh katu.
Right.
That symbolize you are young,
Iya.
Don't-
You kachimonge.
you kachimonge.
Right.
You are not in that
Category.
category.
Right.
Because if you cut like that,
Iya.
Yeah.
you will count yourself.
Category five.
I'm category 5 pero lagi lampa.
Yeah.
I'm the adult.
Yeah.
So I will act like an adult.
Iya.
I will, you know,
Yeah.
there's something I want to say.
Iya.
Hair
Iya.
has a major effect on our body.
Oi.
Yeah.
Why?
Iya.
Because this,
Iya.
sometimes we cut our children's hair short because
Iya.
nowadays,
Iya.
father and mother, they want to hurry to work.
Okay.
Eh?
Right. Iya.
It take times to beautification the children.
Iya.
Menda ukuta kana ulunra na gel.
Iya.
Bango na tali ulu.
Right.
Tara
Nambarasi
na
mo
una,
na.
barasi.
Mm.
So if you cut your hair small,
Iya.
it will be easy.
Easy, eh?
No more to spend money on buying this gel,
Yeah.
buying that kind of things.
May gel raw to ng bogi.
Wajel nambo kiminto na lokolok.
Yo sa kere-kere siguro matado ko. Sa kere-kere siguro matado. Mika sa kere-kere siguro.
May.
May kibrin na kadra bito karbli may. Pero trabi taman ngo mesa na doman dari coach misal solo virtu.
Doon mo na ka?
O abu pati ki help.
Yeah.
Romero dreadlocks.
Dreadlock, right.
Non rota kon damit siguro matari ko.
Yeah.
Monk cut.
Mo kat metalas tayo na normal eh. Metarol mengoni sala.
Iya, boy. Iko kayak mongkat practice that mongkat.
Messi ni sudula sel. La kau kuat lah betul kamu romun sabi betul na koti-koti kor.
Kagak di bosot ya.
Kau tu kena ngamen aku rome amu ngati. Hey, benar benar Punjab celebrating 90 years. We love you all. Ha.
We say good morning to Lina Boss.
Right.
Binaka na Arkes Ragas.
Dun.
And mataka binaka di kuat.
Right.
Wuli ke nangito tigo may chapani o Ben Seru. O tambua be tagumaki anare sovu.
Double tap, guys.
Sana ila batigi lepa ni wangan daun bola
Right.
katambu. Lio
Yeah.
ke Mr. Yoda
Right.
Matsumoto Kokusai High School. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa.
Kaya lang mongkat dia ko binti lu, boy.
Iyo. Sa to ilugo.
Kau sesar metu sar kep, tu sar tele belilom.
Iya.
Pokok menduru baka tu membikin.
Iyo ko baka me baka tataw ni meta.
Oh iya. Siya kagay ta kami yung Dems. Korektora coach tong kami Dems.
Iya.
Go side down. Kung ngono
Upside down.
Go kla.
Iya.
Kana bobcat so na bobcat eh.
Iya.
Bobcat na masur baka.
Kembali na ko chiko cheta wiri chunga.
Eda wiri.
Oi.
You see nowadays people are back to mbuninga.
Right.
Iya.
Eda wiri. Lawa ko hits.
Ko Fiji buina.
Fiji buina.
Alright.
You know when Randy Kesamo grow ya?
Iya.
They're coming Henry Spade.
Yeah.
People are growing their hair too.
Right.
Because depend on the celebrity,
Iya.
you know Reda Cut. Got along 1 year.
Iya.
Kami membalap besar tu.
Right. Nanu na mitong lewo nanu na ka miri uliviti. Dono miri lewo di korro e nana no tele bo mata ka dai tebita Everlast.
Do yan.
Evergreen Green Acre Bingo. Serni.
Right, do yan.
Serni.
Max.
Sema chiko maya na mata ka binaka di ko. Max Masori.
Iya.
Max.
Binaka se.
Maxwell Smart.
Max Solzman na yan. Si Sari mga suka.
Ano na ko bi? Na boleh besar bito kan boleh mai.
Rosini ngaw.
Oh, tutok.
Apa tutu ka chiko mayo
Mati.
Ja Ray J.
Iya, may.
Jari J. Jerry J.
Iya.
Mulai kau salah virna ngone ise.
Iya. Iko mo
Jor
council.
kumar ada binaka nanti
Iya.
ke statement rekit ya binaka. Ngono buno ditita pati
Nanda ke estate to ka tu na buna waiti tu mundon dolon de biti.
matangi ngame.
Iyo.
Lakai veichinia.
Ada.
Boleh kina na tabi hoka.
Ui.
Boleh ko itu ngos orang na kanika.
Mata timili kirikit di fulanga.
Oh.
Oh, do yan.
Ada nomini Margaret B Soko na mata kabinaka di kuah.
Daro bicu kira kiko i Albert Park.
Oi. Ya, red. Na boleh besar bito kan boleh mana mata kadai dai kemini ka dro. Dono muhat lagi mata kada share na mata kadi kuah.
Do naka.
Maru churam boleh sama chuka masalika kamburango na VTFM.
Iya.
Iya. Wani mina kan gonde Messi.
Hey, yana kurumundo go.
Mika ngalo bulong.
Eh,
Ikaw nga tari sa mo,